And I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with you and we throw it up.
Hey friends, I hope you guys are well. I'm going to teach you how to melt your lace on your own at home. So you want to start with a good quality wig like this HG lace. It's pre-plucked and pre-bleached. It's a unit from Yolissa Hair. It's a 26-inch and 250% density unit. I like to personally use a ball cap method. Then I proceed to using a glue and a spray to melt it in place. You really want to make sure that you melt the ball cap in place.
When I beg you with the jabata, me I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the bend, the catch, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the bend.
Now it's time to tint your ball cap and lace. I like to use this cream foundation from Ruby Kiss, and then you're just going to put it both on your ball cap and the lace. You don't want to put too much, you just want to put a thin layer because the oil from the foundation or concealer you use can make the glue actually not stick properly, not have like a strong hold.
Make you know say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I did that to do I'm way. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn.
Now you want to wipe the leftover oil or makeup, and I use the 70% alcohol.
What's it go? All the Bentley, ride the whip, I go beat.
Then we need to adjust the wig to your head. So you're going to cut the lace around your ear so it can lay flat on your head.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my date. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going?
I like to cut it in 3 sections or more on the lace so you can glue the wig in sections. Then add 3 layers of glue and let it dry clear in between each layers. Like, this is so important. Make sure to apply the glue on your skin and the ball cap. Then glue the lace and use a comb to press on the lace. Next, you want to use a blow dryer on cool to melt the lace even more. Now it's time to apply the wig band tight for at least 45 minutes, but preferably an hour. Personally, the 1 hour will give you that melt that you're looking for. You can style your hair in the meantime, clean, do whatever you need, but keep it at least for 45 minutes.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Now remove the band and cut your lace.
You say that I'm good enough, cover my think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is
You can add spritz or lace melting solution to your lace. I recommend following the directions on your product. For mine, I will use a blow dry on cool for at least 1 minute. Then yes girl, you gotta add the band again for at least another 20 minutes or more. Then you can do your makeup or finish styling. And then you remove the band and you're done. I really hope y'all enjoyed this quick, fast-paced kind of tutorial. Just a little bit more detailed than what I would post on TikTok usually. Honestly, I truly like this unit. Here I also added some clips from my second reinstall. This is how the hair looks like when it's washed. I did not do anything to get that type of texture. This is the natural texture of the hair once it's wet and it air dries. And now I'm going to show you guys the lace after the third install. The hair is still thick, it still has length. The hair is really soft after my third install. Honestly, I'm really quite surprised with how good the quality of the hair is, and I definitely recommend you getting this hair, especially if you're a beginner and you don't have time to plug or bleach the knots, which is so important to do on the jet black unit. But yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!